Behind me is the entrance to Eaton Canyon. The hiking trail here leads to a beautiful waterfall. I'm Lydia Pantases in Pasadena. I'll introduce you to a man whose mission it is to make sure this area stays free of graffiti. Once a week, Pat Bylard makes his way down to one of the many hiking trails in the Angeles National Forest. On this day, he's headed to Eaton Canyon, carrying about 35 pounds of supplies strapped to his back.
That's still clean down there. That's great. Oftentimes I come and that's a favorite spot to be tagged.
He's looking for graffiti. His goal, to clean it up. And it doesn't take long before he finds it, quickly taking out his paintbrush and painting over it.
My father started me hiking when I was just a young boy and taught me to respect the forest.
That's 4-year-old Pat sitting on the front of his father's lap with his brother about 60 years ago at Switzer Falls Trail. He's been in love with hiking and nature ever since, but he knew he had to do something when he saw graffiti popping up on the trail. So he started volunteering to clean it up.
I see the damage that is done and feel that it needs to be repaired so other people can have a distraction-free visit to the forest.
While some areas can be quickly painted over, others take more time. Like this rock, the goal here is to remove any trace of graffiti. Pat makes sure to lay down tarps and towels to catch any of the solution used to remove the paint.
It's very important to me to make sure that I'm getting it off and that I'm not adding anything back to the forest.
While these cases may take longer, some even hours, the payoff is when you start seeing the graffiti come off.
Look at the color and the striations in there. It's just beautiful. And until this part of the process starts to happen, then the rewards come and I get invigorated. I just have to, work it to the end and make sure that it's as natural as I can possibly get it.
And seeing that difference is all Pat needs to continue his work, helping keep the forest clean so others can enjoy all that nature has to offer.